morning, you guys. I came back from Mexico yesterday evening and I basically just spent the entire morning cleaning clothes. I honestly had the best time in Mexico. It was so much fun. But now I'm back and I just feel like I need a big reset. Honestly, it's been a big travel and I need to like get my life back in order. So I want to fix my skincare routine because I haven't been the best at that. I want to get back to working out and I also want to get back to eating healthier. Yes, I've definitely been lagging with my like nutrition and health and everything. I haven't been eating super varied or super healthy. But before we get into any of that, today is literally just going to be the fixing up day. I have so many clothes to clean. I have so much stuff to put back after my trip. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin cleaning. Away, my clothes are cleaning. The next thing I need to deal with, if I can get my hair out of the way, are putting away all these things that are just laying in the hallway. This was my carry-on. Everything needs to be organized. This is a bag that I got while in Mexico that I need to find a place for, and all my toiletries. And this was the stuff that we bought in Mexico for the flat, which I also need to find a place for. Let's deal with this first, because this all needs to go upstairs anyway. I might also have to clean a little bit today because I'm not very proud of how the flat is looking right now. Look what I just got. One of the things that I really want to prioritize now that I'm back is eating healthy and varied again. I feel like it's so difficult to stick to a healthy diet, or at least the same healthy diet that you have at home when you're traveling full time. And as a consequence, recently my body just hasn't been feeling as good as it normally does. My skin has been breaking out. So I honestly just want to reset. I want to get back, I want to eat healthy, which is why I'm really excited. This video is sponsored by HelloFresh. Let's open this big box, shall we? HelloFresh is a weekly meal subscription that makes eating healthy and varied super easy and super convenient. I ordered 3 dinners this week: sticky Thai style veggie noodles, creamy tomato Cajun chicken, and also some butter chicken and buttery naan. I think I want sticky Thai veggie noodles today, so let's cook this up for dinner. I think one of my biggest obstacles to eating healthy at home is just the fact that I am just not a wizard in the kitchen. Like, I can't just naturally whiz up like really fun varied recipes. It just doesn't work that way for me. So I just can't emphasize how much I love HelloFresh for making it so easy and so convenient. I mean, just look how good this looks. It took me 20 minutes and I'm so excited to eat this. So if you're interested in trying HelloFresh, click the link in my description box below or scan this QR code. That'll give you 60% off your first box plus 20% off the next 2 months plus free gifts with the code MACERLY. Theo texted that he's going to be home in the next 5 minutes, so I'm going to quickly use that time to put some more things aside, set the table, and then we're going to have dinner. The final thing I need to put away is all the stuff that I got for the flat in Mexico. I got these 4 table mats. I think they're so fun. And I also got these. We got 5 of these mezcal glasses. How cool. My plan is to put these away in the cupboards. I don't think I can fit them in the kitchen. Taste test. What do you think?
Very good.
Maddie Borge for her. Thank you. It is day 2 back and I am back to working out. I signed up to a ClassPass class at One Rebel and I love ClassPass because if I sign up and I don't go, I get charged £36, meaning I have to go. Like there's no way I'm losing £36. So I went and it was great. I got myself a little blueberry recovery smoothie. I think when I'm home, I'm going to try to set myself a little schedule for like getting back to the workout routines. I really want to get better at walking. I was walking like 10-15,000 steps every single day in Mexico and Costa Rica, and then I also want to try to work out like 2-3 times per week, especially like at least 1 reformer and 1 HIIT class. It's time to do some skincare. I did bring a lot of my skincare with me to Latin America in these cubes. Wait, I actually have some more as well. These cubes. So I had like a goal of like sticking to my skincare routine, washing my face twice a day, you know, all that. But I think a combination of like the water constantly being oily from sweating and, you know, sunscreen and all that, and then not being able to like wash my face twice a day every single day just led me to like a lot of breakouts and kind of impure skin. I don't know if you can see it, maybe you can, but on this on my face I have quite a bit of acne that has kind of become like not scars, but like they haven't gone away properly, so they're left as like redness and brown marks. A little bit same on this side, and then here I have a lot of acne that is like developing, and I know it's gonna become pimples if I don't do anything about it. So I went to Selfridges yesterday evening and I got a new cleanser from The Ordinary. This is a glucoside foaming cleanser. I think it was like £12. They're also going to be incorporating a couple of other ingredients to spice up my skincare. I'm going to be doing a pore tightening mask at least every 3 days. We're going to be doing some niacinamide, and there's also squalane in this. Hopefully that'll help reduce the visibility of these acne scars and also reduce this acne that I have right here. I do want to get better at exfoliating my skin as well, and I have this, but I have been breaking out a little bit from this in the past, and I have a feeling it's because I'm using it wrong. So if you know how to use this properly, please let me know in the comments, because I think I might have used too much or too often and my skin started breaking out from that and becoming quite sore. So I'm gonna leave that for now and wait on you guys' recommendations. But I am gonna be using a moisturizer to finish everything off. This is my favorite one. It's from Tatcha. It's the Dewy Skin Cream. I'm almost out, but it is so good. finishing washing all my clothes in one day. But a lot of the clothes are linen, so I have to steam them before putting them away because they don't look their best right now. And there's obviously quite a few pieces that need to be steamed, so let's begin. Also, can I just say, my Discover Weekly has been so weird ever since I came back. It's like a mix of overused TikTok songs and then like really old songs from like the 60s and 70s. Apparently it happens when you don't use Spotify for a while. It just forgets what kind of music you like, so it gives you this. I don't know. Like this is on my Discover Weekly, and then before it is this song, which is like very, very active on TikTok right now. And then after it is this. Aretha Franklin, what are you doing here? So random.